Hi there, it's Julie from the Edmonton Mennonite Center for Newcomers, also known as EMCN. Over the years, I've talked to a lot of students, and one of the things that they have in common is they all find the weather in Canada to be quite an adjustment, especially in the winter. Over the past few months, that's one of the things that I've been emailed or contacted about the most, saying, how do you deal with the weather? How do Canadians do it? And how do newcomers to Canada adjust? Today, I wanted to give you a couple tips. Remember that Canada is a winter country, and Alberta, including Edmonton, has long winters. The beginning of the drop of temperature begins in about September or October. The average winter temperature in Edmonton is minus 14 degrees Celsius, but it can get to lows of minus 30 degrees or more. This will last until March or April, when the temperatures will start to increase. Edmonton is a beautiful city all year round. Even in winter, there are a lot of outdoor activities. We'll talk about those in a future video, but for right now, we're going to concentrate on what to do indoors. Like most Canadians in the wintertime, you'll want to embrace being cozy. Cozy means a feeling of comfort, warmth, and relaxation. This often involves things like having hot drinks, wrapping yourselves in thick, hot blankets, and just trying to appreciate being inside and being in warm with everything and everyone you love. Winter is also a great time for pursuing your indoor hobbies. It can give you time to get back to the things that you enjoy but don't normally have time for when the weather's a little bit nicer outside. It could also be a great opportunity to teach yourself a new skill. Or that might just mean that you get to catch up on that Netflix series you've been watching. It's also the perfect opportunity to spend time with the ones you love. Because more people spend time at home during the cold weather, this is a perfect time for family games and storytelling. Or the teaching of skills and handing down of tradition. Especially this year, it might mean that we can't spend all the time we'd like to in person with our friends and family, but we can have a little bit extra long video visits. And finally, winter can be the perfect opportunity for you to take time for yourself. Maybe you have more time to read that book that you wanted to read, or have a long bath, or just spend some time staring out at the beautiful winter landscape. So let's review a few of the things that we've talked about today. First, Alberta winters are long. Living in Edmonton in the winter, you will spend more time inside, so you might as well find a way to make it more pleasant. Embrace being cozy. Find all of the warm, comfortable things that you enjoy and surround yourself with those. Take time to get back to your hobbies or teach yourself a new skill. And spend time with loved ones, whether that's in person or on an extra long video chat. Remember, this includes time for yourself as well. So make sure to do a couple of those things that you've been wanting to do but haven't had time for. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Until next time, stay cozy and stay safe.